In this video, we'll show you how to add a table block, customize it, and manage rows and columns in Slickplan. Drag a table block from the left panel onto your page. By default, the table will start with 2 rows and 2 columns. To edit your table right in the editor, hover over any cell. Click the column menu above the cell to insert or delete columns. Click the row menu beside the cell to insert or delete rows. For more control, click the settings icon in the top right corner of the table block. Here, you can set the number of rows and columns, enable header rows and columns, or lock the table to prevent changes. To combine table cells, start by selecting 2 or more cells in the same row or the same column. A contextual menu will appear. Click Merge Cells to combine them into one. To undo the merge, select the combined cell and click Split Cells. Note that cells must be in a single row or column to be merged. Merging across both is not supported. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can build and format tables to keep your content structured and easy to read. For more information, please visit the support site. Thanks for watching.